Video, I'm gonna show you how to bring a needle in the row below, which I use in some of my patterns. As you can see, when you bring the needle in the row below, it creates kind of longer single crochet. So this is single crochet and this is also single crochet, but it's kind of covering the previous row. So I'm using another color so it's clear. I'm making single crochets. And for the next one, I'm not gonna place the hook in the previous row. I'm gonna place the hook in the row below. There is already one stitch placed, but we're gonna crochet kind of over it. And that's gonna make our single crochet reaching the row below. And it's gonna look longer. And now I'm gonna make just another single crochet. And another single crochet, and now again, instead of placing it in the next single crochet of the previous row, I'm gonna place it in the row below. So this next single crochet is gonna be longer and covering the whole previous row. And this is what I mean by bring the needle in the row below in my pattern.